Household appliances are all about making life easier and more convenient. Let's take a look at some common appliances you can find in any home and what they do. 1. Fridge. Keeps your food and drinks nice and cold to keep them fresh. 2. Washer. Cleans your clothes by swirling them around in soapy water. 3. Dryer. Dries your wet clothes by using heat and blowing air. 4. Stove. Cooks your meals by heating them up, can be a regular one or a fancy convection oven for even cooking. 5. Microwave. Quickly heats up your food using microwave radiation. 6. Dishwasher. Automatically cleans your dirty dishes with hot water and soap. 7. Vacuum. Sucks up all the dirt and debris from your floors and carpets. 8. AC. Keeps your house cool and less humid during those hot days. 9. Heater. Warms up your home when it's chilly outside. 10. Smoothie maker. Blends and mixes your food and drinks into a smooth texture. 11. Toaster. Makes your bread and pastries nice and crispy. 12. Coffee machine. Brews your morning coffee by pouring hot water over coffee grounds. 13. Iron. Gets rid of wrinkles in your clothes by steaming them. 14. Food chopper. Quickly chops, slices, or purees your food. 15. Crock-pot. Slowly cooks your meals at low temperatures for a flavorful result. These appliances make everyday tasks easier and more efficient around the house.